The one outside is Piak Piak. Hello, Piak Piak. Where is the other one? I over there. Ooh. Why is just so hungry already, the two of you? And the mom? Said the mom or the pa? Here, Dodd. He's looking. Okay, wait a minute. We'll just take a video with you first. Because all the time, I'm here only one. And it's you only. The eldest is not coming in here. That's the eldest. And that's the youngest. The two sibling of Cow the third this time. Okay? Oh. Shane, eat that away. Okay. Oh. Okay. Make it pass. Okay. Okay. You're silent already. Okay. It's small only that we just give. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. Okay. I think that's all. No more. Okay, next time na po ha. Okay, you have to look and take care of the three of you, okay? I don't want that you'll be eaten by the fox. Okay. Okay, next time na po, okay? Okay, be good. Oh, you're asking for the powder. I don't do that. You're youngest, huh? You look like a bossy to me. Okay, I think that's all. We'll just give it again another time. That's all. Don't do that. You have to be friendly and be good to your... I don't know which is the eldest and the youngest and... Well, we know a little bit, but which is female? Which is male? You add more? Ay, that's all, oy. That's all. Okay, Piak Piak. One day, we're not living in here. Follow us whenever we just live. We don't know where. We don't know when. Okay? We're not living in here anymore. Soon. We don't know, maybe next year. Be good, huh? Follow us. Your mommy and daddy. Follow us where we just live soon po. Okay? Huh? We're living in here. We're not living anymore in here. Ooh, it's a little bit afraid. I think that's the eldest. This is the youngest. No more. Small only we just gave today. Maybe I can give you some more later, okay? I have lots of things to do. We pack up some of our things. Prepare for. We have lots of things. Piak Piak. Where's your dad? There. See, that's limping. Have you noticed that? It's a bit limping. Okay, I think that's all. Maybe I can give you later, okay? Usually I ask you, you come in here dark, a little bit dark already. Not this time. We have lots of things to do. Piak Piak. Uy. And down. We just say goodbye po Piak Piak next year. If in case up to next year only or 2025, we have no idea what will happen soon. The two thing over there. We take a picture with you. First time. Last year is two sibling of Cow the third. This is Cow the third. The father. Okay. Okay. Be good, huh? We miss this seagull bird. The first one is what you call this, Cow. The first. She has 29 siblings since I came in here in 2007. I think he died. We don't know because he's not coming in here. He's still in pain. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, is 7 years ago. Or 5 years ago. A picture of him. Souvenir. And we have also a video of him. And then the other one, that Cow the second, I don't know, where is he now? I'm just doubting which of the two because the times coming is limping. I know she's 21. I mean 29 siblings of Cow the first. Okay, bye for now. Bye-bye, Piak Piak. Bye-bye, Cow Cow. Here's the youngest, I think. All the eldest just getting some more. I pity this bird. Hello, it's just looking. We just give you more, okay? Maybe later. Because I have lots of things to do. I pack up some of those picture frames on the wall. We just a little bit tired, me and your daddy, Peter, me, your mommy, Melly. We're tired because we just arrived from London last night. And now, September 14, 2023, Thursday, is the day we went to London. That's September 13, Wednesday, 2023. It's something we just doing there, and we're happy because we attend a mass. That's what we did as well since July, August, September. Next month, that's what Malapete says, we're just going back. And maybe we just attend a mass again in Cathedral, in Westminster Cathedral, in Victoria Street in London. It's just eating the remaining of the food. Okay, that's all for now. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay. No more, huh? No more that I just gave you. Because I give you now. The second time already I give, okay? Okay. You have to eat that. So many already, oh. Why not eat that biscuit? Hey, why you change? Your voice is reply already. The butter. Oh, there's a lot of biscuits over there, oh. There's so many. Okay, you have to eat that then, okay? No chicken this time. We didn't went to Asda. Very far from the place we just live. You have to understand. No ham this time, okay? You have to eat that then. Do not choose. I apply already the eldest. Is that the mother? I'm not sure. Yeah, but what's in there, oh? You have to eat, though. Because it's not the one I just gave a while ago. I just mixed the one that I just, the one that I just give. This time is a plain biscuits. It's just juice, it is. Sometimes. I just still there, the two of them. Okay? You have to eat that. I pity this seagull bird. You have to eat that then. Okay? You cannot eat right away because it's so big that I sliced that biscuit. Huh? You have to eat that. I don't understand. Oi, it's not good that you're tasting your... Is that brother or sister? Oh, a little bit you're bossy, huh? Not good. Not good. What's in their biscuits, huh? You have to eat that then. No chicken this time. No ham. Yesterday, the extra of your daddy, we just to eat it in here. We give it to you. It's a hot dog. No, it's a plain biscuits and the other one is, I can't remember what's the one that I mixed that. That I just gave you. You just eat right away. Piak piak! Come here! Not eating. I pity this seagull bird. I came in here in 2007. That is Cow Cow the first. Cow Cow the second, that's the son. And Cow Cow the third now has a sibling already. This is the second year already. Coming here every now and then. That's the only we can give, okay? We have a souvenir from both of you and your dad. At least we send this to the YouTube. Come back. You have to eat that then. I pity this seagull bird. I know some people here in the United Kingdom, they just thinking they like it, but mostly they don't, because it's a nuisance. Because of cow, 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 that early in the morning, it's so noisy. Noisy, early in the morning. Oh, I like this seagull bird. Look like a size of the chicken. I don't know if this seagull bird can be eaten. Here only that I know that the pigeon, they can eat the pigeon. Okay, you go ready? Okay. Bye for the two of you. Piak, piak the first, piak, piak the second. Oh, they come back, the dad. Yes, he's fly already, I think. Yes, he fly already. Oh my goodness me. Oh, your mom and dad is already somewhere else. They fly here to your dad. They just leave you because you were put in here. Why not eat that then, oh? Yeah, lots of biscuits there, oh. You have to eat that. Okay, I think that's all for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Piak Piak. Bye-bye.